All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about what Tesla workers make. Tesla's compensation varies depending on the role and location. For example, entry-level positions like production associates or vehicle assembly workers typically make anywhere from $20 to $30 per hour, depending on experience and location. For more specialized roles like engineers or software developers, salaries can range from $80,000 to over $150,000 a year, with some senior engineers earning even more based on experience and expertise. Tesla also offers stock options as part of its compensation, allowing employees to benefit from the company's growth. This can significantly increase their overall pay, especially as Tesla's stock price rises. In addition to base salaries, Tesla provides benefits like healthcare, short retirement plans, and even employee discounts on Tesla vehicles. So whether you're on the factory floor or in a tech role, Tesla workers are well compensated with a mix of hourly pay, salary, and stock options. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.